Do you know the benefits of papaya and oats? You can even make a natural smoothie that will help you to lose weight and regulate your cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Both papaya and oats are rich in nutrients and natural medicines to fight diabetes and to reduce cholesterol and also help with the weight loss together. They can even prevent many diseases. So let's get into our video and know the quick list of benefits of these ingredients. The papaya is digestive, diuretic, and laxative. This fruit has papain, which is a useful enzyme for anyone who has troubling with digesting foods besides. It is also rich in vitamins and minerals, which contains high doses of vitamin A, vitamin C, and important B complex vitamins. Oats are rich in fiber and give a sensation of satiety when in contact with the liquids. The fibers become gel that makes a fecal matter bigger and more viscous. Oats have a beta-glucan. This substance is important to reduce the fat in blood and is related to the absorption of bile acids. So consuming oats daily reduces the formation of fat plaques that may cause heart disease. So here is a recipe to prepare this smoothie. To prepare this smoothie, you need a half cup of ripe papaya, a diced 1 cup of plain yogurt. So put all these ingredients in a blender and blend it until smooth. You have to drink it immediately to get all the nutrients to completely absorbed. You can have this smoothie every day in the morning as a substitute for your breakfast. You can have this smoothie for at least 30 days in a row so that you can notice an improvement in your health, and also if you want to have a weight loss, then this smoothie will work as a miracle. So friends, I hope this video is really useful. Thanks for watching our video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you want us to make more videos based on the health, please don't forget to comment in the section below. Thank you.